Okay, hello. I'm gonna ask you some pepper questions. First, look at little old bugger right here. Okay, the pepper question is this right here. You see this pepper right here? Can you see how that's growing? What kind of pepper is this? Now, I was looking it up and it said it like a cloud red pepper, a red cloud pepper. So I just want to know what type of pepper is that right here. You know, if you can help me on identifying this pepper once again. Okay, so this is not a bell pepper. It looks similar to a bell pepper, but it's flat like a pumpkin on top, not like these. Not like these. Let's see that? So I have different type of peppers. See, bell peppers. Yeah, so you know, you could help me identify this type of pepper right here. It's kind of sweet. A little bit of heat, not a lot, but it's sweet with a little bit of heat. Okay. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.